In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a document in Miro. So if you're in your design, let me scroll down a bit more in my canvas here, and I want to create a new document, could be whatever. Just go ahead and click the plus on the left hand side. It says Tools, Media, and Integration. Once you click on that, you want to look for Doc. And once you find Doc, if you're not able to find it here on the format or section here, you can simply use the search at the top and type in Doc, and you will find Doc. And you can also have Google Docs as well, but we're talking about Doc because this is going to allow us to use even the power of AI to generate whatever we want. So click on Doc, and from here on the right hand side you can say whatever you want. It says ask for changes. In my case, this is because I had a different document, so let me go back. And so right here you can use the power of AI to create whatever you want, right? So here on the format, I'm going to click on Doc, and you will see now that it gives me the option to create. So this is back to the main page, and here you can just easily say write whatever or ask it to generate whatever. So I'm going to use the power of AI right now to just say a workshop somewhere, for example, or product specs. I'm going to click on product specs, and you can say for whatever, right? Create a detailed product specs which includes blah 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 blah, and you can go ahead and just use this. What it's going to do is going to create you a template. You can always fill that out later. So I'm going to click on send right here, and you will see that it's going to go ahead and generate a product specs for me. And this is the power of AI, so you can use it to create whatever you want actually, just by typing it in, and it's going to create it for you. Once this is done, you will see that it's finished on the right hand side, that it's done generating. And all you have to do now is, if you like it, is to click and add to canvas. Once you click on that, it's going to embed it for you, and you can always edit this as you wish. You can also change the sizing if it's kind of small. Here for you, you can always go ahead and change the sizing and so forth. Now, what I like is that because it's really small like this, I can actually expand it by going into the focus mode. On the top, you have focus mode, you click on it and it's going to expand it, make it larger, and I can change whatever I want. So let's say it's too close, I can press enter and make it a bit low down or something like that. You get a general idea, and you can continue to add more details in the document as well afterwards. So that's it. Once you're finished, just click on back to canvas and you're back.